Hi guys, just thought I'd do a quick video to explain how you can connect your MyZone, your MyFitnessPal and your Fitbit to the programming software if you would like. So what you need to do is you need to log into the members area via the website. So you can get into this section by going up to community, members site, members site, and then the password is member. So once you've done that, you come into this section and you can obviously go into workouts, recipes, etc. But what you're going to do is you're going to scroll down to Sweat It Digital over this side and click into there. That will then bring you to here, which you can follow to go to the Facebook page, book a remote call, or you can go to the digital. So you can drill in even further, pop in your details, so it will ask for your username and passwords, and that is your password that would allow you to get into within the app. If you can't do that, then just let us know and we can resend your login details. Then it will bring you to this section here, so you can obviously see your schedule, so any programs that you've got or sessions coming up, any programs, any additional coaching content, so recipe books, videos, tracking and stuff like that. If we're going to go to add-ons though, okay, so click on add-ons and it brings you to here. So what you can do is you can link all three, but we're going to do MyZone to start off with. So click onto MyZone and it will bring you to here. Click setup and it integrates. So you just need to put your email and password. It's connected to your MyZone belt. That's all done. So we're just going to come out of there and I'll just prove that that did actually work. MyZone is actually the easy one. It's the MyFitnessPal. It's potentially a little bit harder. So let's just go to the MyZone and you can see there that obviously that's the session I did yesterday, that day that I did before, etc, etc. So it's worked an absolute dream. So we're going to go back out of here. We're going to go back to add-ons. And then we're going to go into MyFitnessPal. So click on MyFitnessPal. It will then bring you to here. Obviously, you can see that nothing's set up at the moment. So we're going to go to Setup in the top right. Then there's a little video here to explain what you need to do. But what you do need to do is you need to go open another web browser and go to MyFitnessPal itself. I'll just go back to the home page. So it'll bring you into this main home page. Top right, you need to hit Settings. Scroll down a little bit, and on the left-hand side here, halfway down, you've got Diary Settings. Click on there. Then you're going to pretty much scroll all the way to the bottom, and it's got Diary Sharing and Public. So you need to keep this as public or make sure it is set to public. On the right-hand side, nearly opposite, it's got a URL. You're going to click and copy that. We're going to go and go back to where we were and copy that into the URL box there. Then you're going to hit connect, testing connection, okay, and you are done. If I had any tracking of food, then it would show in here, and jobs are good. And any questions, let us know. Any trouble, please just shoot us a message and we can certainly help. Bye.